What's up, guys? This is Jeffrey back with another break for Bustin' Packs and Sports Card Album. Today we have Panini Excalibur. This is a Target exclusive. Uh, I think they're going for 110, maybe. I haven't seen any in my Target. And they also got rack packs and blasters, and they've got exclusives to every single one of them. I know this has the Kaboom, which I wanted to bring up and show you. This set is going crazy. I'm pretty sure there was a member the other day on Blowout Cards that had the Wiggins from this set, and it went for, I want to say 1,500. It's not showing up right now, but you can see Kobe recently, which is today, finished at 660. 621 for LeBron. These are supposed to be rare. It's a large set, so there's going to be plenty of them. Dennis Rodman, 195. So this is one of the main reasons to bust Excalibur, is to go after the Kabooms. The other reason would be the Crusades, which last year Crusade came down in price, a lot more inserts or a lot more parallels, so it was easier to hit them. It's not supposed to be the case in Excalibur. These are supposed to be a little more difficult to hit, so we've got 3 autographs or memorabilia per box on average. 200 card base set, 50 rookies. The jumbo patches are in the blasters. Those look pretty nice, but I have hardly seen anybody busting blasters. So this year there's the Crusade Blues, which are to 149, Reds 99, Purple 75, Orange die cut 60, the Teals to 35, Golds to 10, and Greens to 5, and of course the ones, the Blacks, 1-of-1s. So let's get to it. Oops, sorry about that. Nice big box too. It kind of reminds you of Ferd. Open it up, and it is kind of like Preferred. Let's see, there are 1 thick pack, 2 sort of thick packs, 3, and I think the last one out, 4. So should be a rather quick break. We'll leave that. That one looks the thickest. We'll go with this one first. So let's see what we have. Yeah. Can't get into it. We have a lot more base this year. Let me swing this around. So you can see this is the base rookie card, Jay English. It's not a bad design for the base. Bruno, I'm not going to pronounce his last name, who on draft night was 2 years away from being 2 years away. There's the veteran, Shabazz Napier. A lot of rookie cards. Bogdanovich, Langston Gallows, who will be in National Treasures. Noah Vonleh, who we gave away. We gave away for Batum, but I think it was a dumb move. Alright, so our first card is, our first insert would be Joe Johnson, and this looks blue, and it's actually teal, I think. Hold on a second. Let's check on the box. Teal. It is teal. So this one is 7 of, let's see, 7 of 35, Joe Johnson for the Nets. We have a DeMar DeRozan in the throwback Vince Carter Slam Ink. That one is, and that is an orange, okay. Not numbered. We have an orange of Jerry West, the die cut. And that one is 4 of 60 for Mr. Logo Man. And finally, we have a foil card of Mark Gasol. It's a nice foil. And that is not numbered. They could have probably done the base like that and it would have been alright. It would have been, I don't know, I guess it would have been kind of like prestige. Here we go. Our second pack. Since we've got it through now. Base, base, base. Joel Embiid, what could have been. PJ Hairston, Tar Heel. We have a Night Court of Kemba Walker. Not numbered. Night Court. Tony Parker. Night Court Dwayne Wade. And our first Crusade is Zoran Dragic. And that one is 36 of 99. Go for a little better run. I think the background's hurting the focus. So, Zoran Dragic. These look nice. Like I said, they're a little bit tougher to pull. And our first memorabilia card is Bruno. And I'm not going to pronounce his last name because I'll screw it up. And that is not numbered. And our last foil card is Thaddeus Young. Next pack. We got base. We got the Juggernaut set. Stephen Curry, MVP. Damian Lillard, Dame Dalla, and Karl Malone. And our blue is Dirk Nowitzki. And our full is Dwayne Wade. Flip it over, and our next fresh face is PJ Hairston. Tar Heel goes into PC. And by the way, the Dirk Nowitzki is 3 off his number. 44 of 149. The blue base has a nice card too. The blue always pops. And our last pack, hopefully we have an autograph in here. They're every which way. Alright, Nobility set. We have Kawhi Leonard, Willis Reed, Shaquille O'Neal, and which way does it go? And our blue is Kentavious Caldwell Pope. I'll flip it over. Well, take it away. We'll pull this from the back. We have a Nick Stauskas foil, not numbered. And our autograph will be, which way does it go? Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Andrew Wiggins. Nice ball, nice patch. 218 of 349. The main reason you bust products this year. 2014, 2015. Andrew Wiggins. Nobody else. Holy crap. That is a nice card. Wow. So, just to give you a little recap, outside of that, which is the main recap, our Blues, Contavious Caldwell Pope, Dirk Nowitzki. Our two Mims are Fresh Faces, PJ Hairston, and Caboclo. Bruno. That's all I'm going to call him, Bruno. A Zoran Dragic Red Crusade. A Jerry West die cut to 60. And a Joe Johnson teal, but here it is. The beauty. Let's see if it'll focus on this. Let's get the words in the background. Even though it's sticker, I could care less. Holy crap. That will do it. Be sure to check out all the hits on Sports Card Album and sign up for Sports Card Album if you'd like. I think we are making the transition from busting packs to Sports Card Album. So, alrighty. Thank you for watching. Peace.